Hi everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is about scheduling a post on your Facebook business page. Now this is something you always could do, but there's been a slight change in how you do it. The old way would be come to the create a post on your page, click on that and start your post. Write whatever you want, and then you would come down to the Share Now drop down, and there used to be a schedule choice, which is not there anymore. So now you have to go into settings to schedule a post. So we will click out of this, left click on settings. It's asking me to leave the page because we have an unfinished post, so we will left click and leave the page. Once you get into settings, you want to look for the publishing tools, which will be either listed at the top or in the more drop down. If you left click on more, you'll see publishing tools. Click on that. And in the center of the page, you'll see all your recent posts. And at the top right, you'll see the create button. Left click on create, and the write a post box will appear. And once again, just create the post you want and come down to the Share Now drop down, left click, and you'll see the schedule button is there. Click on that and the schedule box will appear, and all of your choices to schedule the post as in the past are there. Okay, I hope that helps in learning how to schedule a post on your Facebook business page. Come on over to BTFOOM.com for more helpful tutorials on improving your SEO.